The question is, side AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, PR and the median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is the question. So how to do this question? Samriddhi and Nishit, you missed only one class, right? Last class you missed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a tough question. Listen carefully. If you don't understand any step, you have to ask me. I am ready to repeat. I am ready to repeat. It is a lengthy problem. So AB, AC, AD proportional to PQ, PM and PR. Understood? We have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is the question. Do you have any idea? And I will discuss this question after discussing another question, because this is the most difficult question in this chapter. Definitely I will discuss question, but before this let me discuss another question. Only two questions are remaining in this chapter. Only two questions are remaining in this chapter. Sixteenth question. Sixteenth question. Please listen. After this, I will come back to that question. All of you, please listen. AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where ABC is similar to PQR. Show that AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. Let us draw two triangles. Let us draw two triangles. What are the two triangles? One is ABC and other one is PQR. So ABC is similar to PQR. The two triangles are similar. AD is a median. Median means it is the side equally cut the corresponding side. I mean D is the middle point of BC. And PM is the median for this triangle. PM, meaning that M is the middle point. It is given that the two triangles are similar. ABC similar to PQR. Show that AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. This is our question. Have you understood the question? The two triangles are similar. Till this step you are okay? Till this step? Nishit, Samriddhi, Jyoti, all of you clear? Okay. So the two triangles are similar. So all of you please listen. If two triangles are similar, what we can say? If two triangles are similar, the ratio of the sides will be equal. The ratio of the sides will be equal. Meaning that AB proportional to PQ. AB by PQ. AB proportional to PQ. Equal to BC proportional to QR. And AC proportional to PR. Understood? If two triangles are similar, understood, the corresponding sides are proportional. So have you understood this step? You have to respond me. Nishid, Samriddhi, all of you clear. Jyoti, no response. So it is okay. And any other result? Any other result? If two triangles are similar, any other thing can you tell me? If two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are also equal. Corresponding angles are equal means angle B equal to angle Q. Angle A equal to angle P. Angle C equal to angle R. Okay, corresponding angles are also equal. I will come back to angle. Before that, I want to prove that AB by PQ, it is already there in the question. But AD by PM is not there. Okay, AD by PM is not there. So, how to find it? AD by PM. Now listen, all of you please listen. For the two triangles are similar, this angle B will be equal to angle Q. If two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal. The corresponding angles are equal. So angle B equal to angle Q. Let me write here, angle B equal to angle Q. Okay. Now listen, all of you please listen. The first equation is AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Okay, I want to take only these two ratio only. Okay, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. All of you please listen. D is the middle point of BC. All of you please listen. D is the middle point of BC. So can I say that BC equal to 2 times BD? D is the middle point of BC. So BC will be 2 times BD. I will discuss with you. Don't worry. I will clarify all your doubt. BC equal to 2 times BD. And QR equal to 2 times QM. This angle I will write after this. Is that okay? Samruddhi, you understood? Samruddhi understood. So BC equal to 2 times BD and QR equal to 2 times QM. 2 cancelled. So AB by PQ is equal to AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. Jyoti, you are not responding, Jyoti. Nishit, you left. Have you understood the last step? Nishit?
I got disconnected. Yes, sir.
You got disconnected. Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Understood.
You understood this step?
Yes.
Okay. So, why I took the ratio? Similar triangle means sides are proportional. Now, AB proportional to PQ and BD proportional to QM. Understood. AD proportional to PQ. AB, this one. AB proportional to what? PQ. And let me highlight like this. Then only you can understand. BD proportional to QM. Understood. Let me use some color. This yellow colored sides are proportional. The blue colored sides are also proportional. BD by QM. And the included angle, can you see two included angle of this highlighted sides? For these highlighted sides are proportional. I got it right now. And what about the included angle? The included angle are already equal because the entire triangles are similar. So the corresponding angles are equal. So these highlighted sides of the first triangle proportional to highlighted sides of the second one. Equation number 1. Angle B equal to angle Q. Equation number 2. Within 1 or 2 steps you will get the answer. These proportional, this blue colored sides proportional, included angles are equal. So you can see two smaller triangles, this one and this one. Can I say that this highlighted triangle similar? The smaller one, ABD and PQM. ABD and PQM are similar because by SAS similarity rule. Side proportional, angle equal, another side equal, proportional. Two sides are proportional, the included angle are equal. So the highlighted triangles, what are they? Triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM by SAS similarity rule. Have you understood this till this step? If you have understood, please raise your hand. Samruddhi understood. Nishit understood. Jodi, I am not getting any response from your side. The highlighted triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, the sides will be proportional, right? So this highlighted triangle, consider the highlighted triangle only. AB by PQ will be equal to AD by PM. The reason you can write here, if two triangles are similar. If two triangles are, the reason is required, otherwise you will not get full mark. If two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. Proved it, okay? All of you please write down. If you have any doubt, you please ask. If you are 100% clear, raise your hand. Samruddhi, okay. Nishit, you understood? Nishit?
Yes, sir.
So you can focus only on the textbook question for this chapter, triangles. Only the similar question will be asked in exam. Don't worry. So Samruddhi, okay. Nishit understood. Jodi, no response. Okay. So we can go to next problem. This is a tough question. It is a really tough question. If you refer any book or guide, you will be seeing the same method. Lengthy method is available. Only length method is available. There is no other way. So don't feel any boring when I discuss the solution. Whichever book you refer, you can see the same method, okay? Or slightly different method, but still the solution is lengthy. AB, AC, AD are proportional to PQ, PR and PM. We have to prove that the triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So how can we prove it? Here I will tell you the method is entirely different. All of you please listen. Nishit, Samruddhi, all of you please listen. The method is entirely different, okay? Initially, let me tell you. The method is, this thing you have to memorize, okay? For other questions, the method is, you can understand. The method is entirely different method, okay? Let me draw let me take the middle point of AB. Let me take the middle point of AD, let it be E. Why I am taking middle point? You can understand the reason later. We have to make some construction. E is the middle point of AB. Let me join with the D. D is also the middle point, you know. D is also the middle point of BC. I am doing some construction here, okay? E is the middle point. Understood? So in the same way I will do here also. I am finding the middle point of PQ. In the same way I am taking the middle point. Samruddhi, is it audible? Samruddhi? Is it audible? Samruddhi, Nishit, is my voice breaking? Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir. Now it is audible.
Is it audible? Nishit, is my sound okay? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same way I am doing some construction here. Join with M. The method is entirely different here. For this particular question, you have to understand the technique. M is also middle point of QR. We know that. Okay. So what I am doing is, just 1 minute. Nishit, Samarde, is it audible? Okay. Yes. So the middle point is there. I just joined. Okay, I just joined. Now all of you please listen that D is the middle point, E is the middle point. In ninth standard, you studied that. In ninth standard, have you studied this result? Ninth, 10th also you studied, but in ninth standard you studied one property. All of you please listen. If you take the middle point here and the middle point here, if you take middle point on this side and middle point on this side, if you joined it, the length will be half of the base. I mean, if the base is A, this length will be A by 2. The line segment joining the middle point, you studied in 9th standard. The line segment joining the middle point will be half of the base. If you remember this result, please raise your hand. The line segment joining the middle point will be half of the base. Okay, you studied in 9th standard. I don't know whether you remember or not. Have you understood my point? You understood? Samarthi, Nishit, Jyoti. Is that correct? You agree with me? You agree with me? Hello? Samriddhi? Okay. There is a lag, I think so. Okay. So, in the same way, D is the middle point, E is the middle point here also. ED will be AC by 2. You agree with me? ED equal to AC by 2. I can write it. ED equal to AC by 2. You can write the reason. Okay. Here I don't want to write the reason. M is the middle point, N is the middle point. M is the middle point, N is the middle point. Can I write Mn as PR by 2? Yes. In exam you have to write the reason. You just write the reason in sentence. The line segment joining the middle point of two sides will be half of the base. You can write it, the reason. So ED equal to AC by 2, Mn equal to PR by 2. Till this step you are okay. My objective is, initially the question says that AB proportional to PQ. Question says that AB proportional to PQ, AD proportional to PM, and AC proportional to PR. It is already mentioned in the question. Why it is mentioned? You please read the question, you understand that. AB, AC, AD proportional to PQ, PM, PR. Let me leave from my mobile. Device. So I think there will not be any network problem. So all of you please note that I left from my mobile device. When I interact with you, you have to unmute and tell me okay. Okay, you just tell me okay. Understood? So I cannot see your raise hand. I left from my mobile device. I think there is small network problem. When I ask you something, you have to respond by unmuting okay. So AB proportional to PQ, AD proportional to PM, AC proportional to PR already mentioned. I am making some adjustment here. AB, look at this diagram. Can I say that AB equal to 2 times AE? Yes, E is the middle point. So I can write AB as 2 times AE. I can write AB as 2 times AE. And what about PQ? I can write PQ as 2 times PN. I am selecting not all the ratio, only selected one. AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. Only select this one only. Okay. AC by PR I don't need. AC by PR also you can select, no problem. AC by QR also you can select. AB by PQ equal to 2 times AE by 2 times PN. AD by PM I don't want to make any modification. AC, look here. AC, look here. AC will be 2 times ED, cross multiplication. AC equal to 2 times ED. AC equal to 2 times ED. And PR, PR. PR equal to 2 times MN, cross multiplication. PR is 2 times MN. So 2 cancelled. Again here also 2 cancelled. Till this step all of you clear? Till this step? Please tell me okay.
Yes, sir.
Everyone okay? And if you don't understand, you please tell me. Don't worry. I'm recording this class also. By this class, all the topics will be over. I will send all the recorded class of this chapter. Okay. So if I don't repeat, don't worry. You will get the recorded class. AE by PN. So AE by PN. Where is that AE by PN? AE by PN is this one, correct? AE by PN is proportional to PN. AE is proportional to PN. Why AE is proportional to PN? Because AE by PN is fixed. AD by PM. Where is that AD by PM? AD, where is AD? AD is this green colored one. AD is proportional to PM. The green colored one are proportional. ED by MN. Where is ED? ED is the red colored one. I don't want to highlight it. ED proportional to MN. Can you see that these two smaller triangles are similar because their sides are proportional? Let me give tick mark. This one and this one. Can you see two triangles there? You can zoom it if it is not visible. The tick mark given, those two triangles are similar because their sides are proportional. I have highlighted it. By SSS, side, similarity rule. The triangle, what are they? Triangle AED, similar to triangle PNM. By SSS similarity rule. This is the right method. If you refer any book, you can see the similar technique. There is no simple method. So this is the way. Okay, only 50% of the steps are over. So till this step you are okay. Till this step you are okay. I cannot see raise hand. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Nishita, Samarde, Jodi, understood. Now all of you please listen. You can zoom it. If it is not visible, please zoom it. Since triangles are similar, can I say that this angle, can you see one angle here, angle A? Can I say that this angle exactly equal to this angle? Yes, of course. If two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal. Can you see? You can zoom it. Since two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal. So this A equal to this P, or EAD, right? Angle EAD. Angle EAD equal to angle NPM. The reason you can write in exam, you have to write the reason properly. You can write it later. If two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. That is the reason. You can write it. In exam, you must write it. If two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. Now, so I am able to prove by drawing, by finding the middle point in the left side. By just plotting a middle point in the left side, I am able to prove that the left side angles are equal. The left side angles are equal by simply plotting the middle point in the left side. In the same way, you can write similarly, not write entire step. In the same way, if I plot the middle point in the right side here, F, and here element O or some other letter you can use. If you plot the middle point in the right side, you are able to prove the right angles are equal. Same method, but you need not write it again. Similarly can be used. The word similarly can be used. You are able to prove that the right angles are equal. Similarly statement is okay. So how? Initially I just plotted the middle point in the left side. Okay, I plotted the middle point joining SSS rule. The left side angles are equal. I proved it. In the same way, you may draw the line segment. In the same way, I can draw joining this D and F here, O and M here. In the same way, middle point F and O can be plotted. In the same way, SSS rule, you are able to prove that this angle equal to this angle. I will write the important step only. Similarly, plot the midpoint F and O, and use the same principle. If you write in this way, you will get the mark, don't worry. Use the same principle. You will get angle DAF, right? Angle DAF equal to angle MPO. Okay. For just plotting F and O in the other side, you are able to prove that the right side angles are equal. The same technique you can adopt. SSS rule, same method. You will be getting two triangles in the right side, corresponding angle equal. Okay. So all of you clear till this step? Nishit, Samriddhi, Jyoti, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understood. So let me add 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2 means that the left side terms to be added together. This highlighted one. The left side terms added, the right side term to be added. What is the sum in the 1 plus 2? What is some smaller steps you can avoid? Angle EAD plus angle DAF. What is this? Look at the diagram and tell me. Angle EAD plus angle DAF. The red colored and blue colored angles to be added, right? Angle EAD is the red colored angle. Angle DAF is the blue colored one. So red colored one plus blue colored one will be angle A, isn't it? Angle A. You can ask me doubt, but after writing this equation. In the same way, right side I am going to add. This one and this one I am going to add. Same way. NPM. NPM is the red colored angle. MPO is the blue colored angle. The red colored one plus blue colored one will be angle P. Angle P. Is that okay? All of you please respond. Till this step you are okay? Till this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you don't understand, Samriddhi, Nishit, if you don't understand, you please ask me. So angle A equal to angle P. Now, all of you please listen. All of you please listen. Angle A equal to angle P. Let me give some number for that, 3. And let me write one equation which is already written. We have already written that, or we know that. We have already written that. Let me write it again, okay? The first one, AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. Only these two are selected. AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. We have already written that. Understood? But let me write it again. Let me write it again. AB by PQ. Only the underlined terms are written. AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. Let me give some number 4. From 3 and 4. Look at 3 and 4. Let me remove the highlighted sides and angles. Okay, let me remove it. Or I will draw the diagram once again. I will draw the diagram once again. What are the triangles? One is ABC. One is ABC. What is the other triangle? Other one is PQR. The median I don't want to show in this diagram. The median I don't want to show in the diagram. AB by PQ. AB by PQ. What is this? AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. Where is AC? AC by PR. The yellow colored one proportional, blue colored one proportional. Angle A equal to angle P. Angle A, where is that angle A? Is it angle A? Yes. Equal to angle P. So you can use SAS similarity rule. Side proportional, I mean yellow colored one. Angle equal the third side proportional. I mean two sides are proportional, included angles are equal. Let me write here the last sentence. I don't want to go to next page. So by SAS similarity rule, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is our question. So this is the method. There is no other way. Okay. So all of you please write down. If you are okay, written, raise your hand. If you are okay, written, raise your hand. Let me join. Still, if my voice is breaking, you please tell me. Voice is still breaking. Samriddhi,
Yes, sir.
let me leave from my mobile device. Now is it okay? Now is it okay?
Yes, sir, it is okay.
So all of you clear? Have you written? Please unmute and tell me. You please write the solution. If you have written, you just tell me okay.
Yes, sir, written.
Written. Others? Others? Nishit? Any doubt? Nishit, any doubt? No response. Nishit, finished. Okay. Jodi, okay. Jodi, your name? Okay, after this, 1 minute. So the all the problems I have discussed. One proof is remaining. The other question solution, I mean, we recorded video. I will send later. I mean, today I will send it. So one proof is remaining in this chapter. I told you that I will explain after. I mean, at the end of the chapter. BPT theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. That theorem is very important. It will be asked in exam. Only textbook method is allowed. If you use any other method, you will not get mark. You will not get mark. So I am going to derive BPT theorem. It's a famous theorem. It is given in the beginning of this chapter. It is given in the beginning of the chapter. I will discuss that. Basic proportionality theorem. BPT theorem. The name of this theorem is BPT. BPT theorem. Full form is basic proportionality theorem. There is a simple proof, but you are not allowed to use that simple proof. Only the textbook method is allowed. So the textbook method is a lengthy method, but you must use that method. Otherwise, you will not get mark. The statement is, let me read it. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides at distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. We have already studied this theorem. We have already done the problem based on this theorem. The theorem says that if you have a triangle ABC, let P be some point on the side AB, need not be the middle point. P need not be the middle point, somewhere on AB. I am drawing a parallel line. I am drawing a parallel line to the base. Drawing a parallel to the base BC. And here I am getting a point Q. The basic proportionality theorem is if PQ is parallel to BC. P and Q are the 2 points on the sides. If PQ is parallel to BC, basic proportionality theorem says that the left side ratio, meaning that AP by PB, is equal to the corresponding right side ratio, AQ by QC. This is the basic proportionality theorem. True only if PQ parallel to BC. P and Q need not be the middle point. If PQ parallel to BC, AP by PB, left side ratio, equal to AQ by QC, means that the corresponding right side ratio. This is BPT theorem. Have you understood the theorem? All of it clear? Have you understood the theorem? Please respond. Please tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone okay? So let me draw a beautiful diagram. Let me delete it. Let me draw a large triangle because there is a lot of constructions. There is a lot of construction. Only the textbook method is allowed. Actually, by using similarity principle, we are able to prove it. Using similarity method, we are able to prove the BPT theorem, but only the textbook method is allowed. So we have a triangle ABC. We have a triangle ABC. What I am doing is, P is somewhere on AB. 1 minute. Okay. P is somewhere on AB. Or M you can use. Any letter you can choose. Okay. And Q is somewhere on AC, but PQ is parallel to BC. Understood? PQ will be parallel to BC. there is a lot of constructions involved. Let me join PC. Some constructions. Let me join PC. The reason you will learn later. And let me join BQ. If you refer textbook, you can see it. So step by step, understand. In exam, don't forget to make some construction. The first step is clear. ABC is drawn. PQ is drawn. PQ is parallel to BC. And I am making some construction. Joining CP and BQ. Not over. The one more construction is there. From P, I am drawing a perpendicular to the other side. Perpendicular. Understood? From P, let it be some letter. You can give some letter, no problem. N, let it be N. Give some letter. If you, instead of N, if you write any X, no problem. Okay? You can use any letter. N. And from Q, I am drawing perpendicular to the other side. The same way I am going to perpendicular to the other side. One minute. So constructions, I am using different colors. Then you will not be, you will not have any confusion. Let it be M. So ABC is there, P and Q some point, PQ parallel to BC. I have made constructions. First of all, PC, BQ are drawn, and perpendiculars are drawn from P and Q. Okay. So all of you please draw this diagram. All of you please draw this diagram. If you are okay, please tell me okay. If you are 100% clear, please tell me okay. Clear? All of you clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Jyotika, everyone is okay. Now this construction, don't forget this construction. Many students forget about the construction. They cannot start anything. They will completely lose the mark if you don't remember the construction. Only this method is allowed. Okay, textbook method, actually lengthy method. Okay, so how to start? The area method I am using. I am using area method. Area method is, I will highlight two triangles. There is a lot of things I am highlighting. I will highlight. 1 minute. There will be two triangles. 1 minute. Yes, I want AP by PB. Yes. For the time being, let me highlight, but I will delete it. I will delete this highlighting later. Okay. Can you see this highlighted triangle? What is that? APQ, right? One highlighted triangle is drawn. Let me draw another triangle. I am going to highlight. I will delete this highlighting after. Okay. Can you see two triangles there? I want AP by PB. I want AP by PB. So AP should be a side. PB should be a side of two triangles. AP should be side of one triangle. PB should be the side of another triangle. That is why I have taken these two triangles. Let me write here. Consider triangle APQ. Similarity method is not used in textbook. And this the second highlighted triangle is triangle BPQ. The two highlighted triangle. You will never forget thing like that. I want AP by PB. So I need to select a triangle having side AP, which is this. And I want another triangle having side PB. Hence this. Area of triangle APQ. The area method is used by area of triangle BPQ. How will you find area of a triangle? Do you remember? How will you find area of a triangle? The red colored one. The red colored triangle area will be half into base into height. Have you studied that formula? The numerator is the red colored triangle. Area of this red colored triangle will be half into base into height. Half into base. What is the base of the red colored one? The base of the red colored triangle is AP. I'm selecting AP as the base. What is the height? Base into height. Height is the perpendicular drawn to the base. Height is what? It is the perpendicular drawn to the base. It is MQ, correct? It is MQ. Let me write the next step. After that, you can ask me doubts, okay? Then area of triangle BPQ. Area of triangle BPQ. BPQ has base BP, correct? BPQ has base BP. BP is the base. Perpendicular drawn to the base BP. BP. It is considered as MQ. No perpendicular reach PB. No perpendicular from Q reach PB. If PB is extended further, then QM is considered as the perpendicular drawn to the PB. If you draw any line, it will never be perpendicular to PB. I mean, no point on PQ. I mean, you must draw QM. Only QM is perpendicular to PB. Half into base into height. Base is PB. Height is what? It is a perpendicular from the opposite vertex. Perpendicular from the opposite vertex is QM. So QM is also perpendicular to PB. QM is also perpendicular to PB or height. QM or MQ. Till this step you are okay? Or if you don't understand, please tell me. Samriddhi, Nishit, all of it clear? Samriddhi,
Yes, sir.
everyone is clear. I joined from Moibai. If my voice is breaking, please tell me. Nishit, Samriddhi, okay. MQ cancel, half cancelled. You will get AP by PB. Equation number 1. So let me remove the highlighting. Now I am going to highlight another triangle. I want AQ by QC. So the triangle with the AQ as the side to be highlighted. This is the triangle having side AQ, correct? This is the triangle having side AQ. AQ by QC. So triangle with the side QC also to be highlighted. The triangle with the base QC also to be highlighted. Now you consider these two highlighted triangles. Let me finish it. After that you can leave the class, okay? Triangle APQ and triangle PQC. Area method. Area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC. Area of the red colored triangle. Let me consider AQ as the base. Let me consider this side as the base. Red colored one. Area of red colored triangle is half into base into height. The height is the perpendicular drawn to the base, which is PN. Area of yellow colored one. Yellow colored one base is QC. Yellow colored one base is QC. The height is perpendicular from the opposite vertex. The height of QC, the height to the QC is the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex. I mean Pn is also height to the base QC. Pn is also perpendicular to QC. Pn. Pn is perpendicular to both AQ as well as QC. Half cancelled, Pn cancelled. AQ by QC. If you are okay till this step, please raise your hand. If you are okay till this step, please raise your hand. Samriddhi understood, Nishit okay. Now let me remove the highlighting. Let me remove the highlighting. 1 minute. Now, all of you please listen. In the two equations, all of you look at the two equations. Area of triangle BPQ, area of triangle PQC are equal. Area of triangle BPQ, where is that BPQ? I will highlight it. Area of this triangle, what is this? BPQ. Area of triangle PQC. Overlapping triangles. BQC, let me use different colors. 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, I cannot use highlighting. 1 minute. PQC. Can you see two overlapping triangles I have shaded? The red colored triangle is PQC. Yeah, green colored triangle is PQC. The areas are equal. These two highlighted triangles have the same area because they have the common base PQ. Both the highlighted triangles have the same base PQ. Same height. The heights will be equal. Why? If you extend it back left side and right side. If you left side and right side extension. If you do the extension, height is this much. For red colored triangle, height is this much. And green colored triangle, height is this much. This dot line, I will delete it later. This dot line is the height to the red colored triangle. For this red colored triangle, this is the height. For the green colored triangle, this is the height. Both the red colored and green colored triangle having same base. Both the triangles having common base PQ. This is the height of the first triangle. This is the height of the second triangle. The two heights are equal because PQ is parallel to BC. PQ parallel to BC. So the left side height is equal to right side height. So you can write the reason. That reason is not clearly written in the textbook. We may write here. 1 minute. Area of triangle BPQ is equal to area of triangle PQC. Because common base PQ and heights are equal. Clear from the diagram. Heights are equal. So what I am saying is equation 1 and 2 are identical. Because in the left side numerators are same. Area of APQ here, area of APQ here. Numerators are equal. Denominators are also equal. The two triangles are equal. Area. So 1 and 2 are equal. 1 and 2 are identical. So I am equating RHS. I am just equating RHS. AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. This is what BPT theorem. Equation 1 and equation 2 are identical because the left sides are equal. Numerator is already equal. Denominator is also equal. So left side equal, Hence right side equal. This is BPT theorem. AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. All of you please write down. If you don't understand, please tell me.